So they are the batteries. I will give you a look, a close look from inside. 2 balls, the plus and the negative and the positive, the cathode and the anode. And inside here we have a huge plates. So I will put this cover here and stick it with silicone, and also I will use a technique to make this cover hard and tough. I will show you this technique. The boss bring me a 4 batteries, like you say, but they are short, and the other one, the original one, are tall. So here we have a problem. I can't change these 4 batteries in the same time. So I throw away the blowing ones. The 2 batteries here are blowing. They are not working no more. And I will change them with just 2 batteries. Just 2 batteries. And the other batteries, I will repair them, because there are no crack in this chassis. Just crack in this cover. I will handle this situation, and I will fix it, and I will show you the technique to make this cover hard and tough here. And also I repair this one. It's still good. So like you see, that's my tool. That's when I work. So in this video you will learning how to repair a top of a forklift battery. I put some silicone in the edges. That's my silicone gun. So, and I will put it like that. So please, sorry, give me some time. So like that. So, and press on these rubber rings here. Don't press on the plastic. So I use this plastic cookies. So I cut it from here and here, a half round, like a half round, and I put it, that my technique, I put it here in the battery in order to not let this top separate on this body here. So this kind of plastic is quickly take a shape of this battery with the heat. So I use my gun, my torch here, because the heat let this kind of plastic take the shape of edges. And also I add some silicone. This way, let the top of the battery tough and hard. So that's my way. Do you see the edges here? They are molded and take the shape of the edges and not let this top up. So that's my way. I will show you when I want to take these batteries. When I finish repair them, I take them to to the forklift and continue the procedure of measurement. So we're finishing our procedure to repair this forklift. We changed the two batteries and the other two batteries were repaired. That's the kind of plastic I'm talking about earlier. So, and we made a brand new cable and also the male cable. That. So, and we clean all the dust on these batteries. They must be watched by one. They have isolation cable, isolated cable. Yeah. It's not dangerous to wash them with water, but separately on the forklift you must remove all the pack and wash it with water. So that's, we fixing the lights, all the lights, turning lights and stop. So we're going to put the cable of supply to the forklift. Sorry for this image, it's not clear, just my phone. So bismillah. Let's see. Yeah, that's the display board. It's good. So, and we can hear the power pump, the main pump, oil pump. So, that's good. So, and it can move because this 3 or 2 vehicles are in front of me. So that's all. We're finishing our Mitsubishi tree. So goodbye to another video.